So CSV import, we will create a transaction. Okay, let's
Mhm.
say vendor bill. Okay,
Okay.
and first we will be creating a CSV import also. Mm. So, uh, like there are not any standard template which we can download from the Netsuite.
Mhm.
Okay, basically it's like the fields which we record at the UI level. Uh,
Okay.
okay, we
Hmm.
can take that field on a Excel, like a normal Excel, uh,
Yeah.
put the values and then save as a CSV.
Okay.
Okay, you will open a one vendor will also,
Hmm.
mhm, which is was you yes. Okay, first of all, we will take external ID.
Hmm.
External ID is for our own uh, like purpose. If we are uploading something, we can have a unique ID attached to it, any unique ID. Okay,
Okay.
commonly when I upload this CSV import, I take the unique ID as a date. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Next, we going to have the reference number. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
then date, vendor. Okay,
So,
after that,
um, so we
yeah.
have to write that manually, like, or is it possible to export a blank template?
Yeah, like I said earlier, when you will export the template from here, okay,
Mm-hmm.
uh, you will get the basically there is no such like then you can export the template. Okay, maybe
Mm-hmm.
you can create a safe search. Okay,
Right. Mm-hmm.
with all the fields you need in the template, and then
Mm-hmm.
after exporting that, you can use that as an same
Okay.
same, same as a template. Okay,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
yeah, but in Netsuite we can't export. Okay, the templates. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so the thing is any one time activity we can do. Uh, we have to do this one time activity manually.
Oh, okay. Mm-hmm.
location, generate. Uh, If you want to include this, we can include also.
Mm-hmm.
The approval status, I think we can keep it. I don't think the rest of the fields are required. Okay.
Okay.
Then
Mm-hmm.
we will go to the item. Mm, rate. Let, if you are taking quantity rate, then you can leave amount. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm. I see. Okay.
Because quantity into rate will automatically give you the amount.
Yeah, we'll get it.
Okay. Text code. Mm, I think we can leave the rest of the details. Okay. Now, let's say my external ID is 19 March 24. Reference date is customer CSV dash. So now, either we can copy this vendor name exactly,
Mm-hmm.
or we can take the internal ID of this vendor. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
so basically, when we are uploading the large data,
Mm-hmm.
uh, like we normally recommend to take the internal ID. Okay. Because
Okay.
you might do a error in like getting this value. Okay. Let's say this is
Mm-hmm.
purple look percentage ink. Okay. But in your
Mm-hmm.
data, you miss this particular dot after the ink. Then system will throw the error. Okay.
Okay.
It has to be the exact match.
Right. Right. Okay.
Right. Hmm.
So the
So,
ID
and
is what you see on the top, right? Yeah.
yes,
Right.
yes. So basically what we do, we, when we have like prepare the, um, during the data migration activity or like we have to upload some
Mm-hmm.
large amount of sections. So basically, we first have all the masters downloaded. Okay, like
Okay.
vendor master with internal ID, uh,
Mm-hmm.
locations, well, anything where a drop down value is available.
Mm-hmm.
We download the masters, then we prepare the data by like by Excel formulas. We look up, match, etc., and then
Okay.
we apply the CSM code. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
I will take this ID as 923.
Yeah.
Location I will copy straight away. CA1 exchange rate is 1.
Mm-hmm.
To approve item, I think for item also we can take the internal ID.
Mm-hmm.
So internal ID is 634. Quantity, let's say 200. text code is going to be our CM. Now, if I have to upload the vendor will with multiple
Mm-hmm.
uh like lines. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I will keep my external ID same.
Oh, external ID is same.
Okay. Because if I change that, then it will create another transaction.
Mm.
Okay.
Oh, see. Okay, okay.
Okay. So I will keep my external ID same. Then
Mm-hmm.
all these things is going to be same. Now we'll take another item.
Mm-hmm.
Mm, So my this is 624. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
624, 550. So so now let's save it into the CSV.
Yeah.
Uh, Save a copy, CSV comma delimited.
Mm-hmm.
This, no. So this is created into the CSV file.
Mm-hmm.
I will change the date format because Netsuite will take the date format is as
Okay.
DDMMY. So, um, so control S to the Netsuite. So
Mm-hmm.
setup, import, export, import
Mm-hmm.
CSV report.
Yeah.
So under the import, export, like first you have to select the import type. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, for example, in the first import type accounting, I had the import type as like chart of account, currency
Yeah.
exchange rate,
Mm-hmm.
expense categories, budget exchange rate. So I can upload this with the import type accounting.
Okay. Yes. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. If I have to import the department location, then I will go to classification.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then I can upload class
Oh,
department
for
where.
class department. Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay.
So for employees, there is okay, like item, there is a separate relationship for
Mhm.
like for vendor customer, we will go to relationship.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, like lead, prospect, vendor, customer,
Mm-hmm.
but we are uploading the transaction, so we will go to the transaction.
Transactions.
So we are uploading the vendor bill.
Mm-hmm.
We select the bill. Mm. Okay, you don't have to change this character encoding and this comma delimiter. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, so next. Okay, so like for data handling, three options are available like add or update.
Yeah.
So I am adding a new transaction. So
Mm-hmm.
it will add.
Yeah.
If I have to update, then I will use the update.
Update, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Add or update is used like if we want to do either one. Okay. But
Okay.
but how can you update if you don't have the take the reference of the existing transaction? So basically,
Mm-hmm.
for update, we will use this separate only.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So under the advanced option, there are some options available here. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, like we want to validate mandatory custom fields or not.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Like I want to change the custom form on which custom form.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, in standard, it will show the default form.
Mm.
Okay. This is the main run server script and trigger workflow. So what
Okay.
does it mean? It means like, uh, for example, like you want to calculate the text into the transaction. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So, so there are Netsuite internal scripts which will run uh, uh,
Okay.
for that text calculation. So
Mm.
you have to stick that. Okay. Or is there any workflows associated with that particular transaction? So
Okay.
trigger the workflow and to run the script, we have to tick that.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Then we will go next. So here we will come to a field mapping page.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now on this field mapping page, as you can see, uh, Netsuite automatically maps few of the field.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Right.
That's
Mm-hmm.
because I have taken the exact naming convention which
Mm-hmm.
I have in my transaction.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Let's say for example, instead of vendor, I have written party. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So Netsuite will not able to identify and map. So then we have to manually field map.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So that in this case, Netsuite has already done the mapping for you, right?
Yes. Netsuite has already done the mapping.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
there's something which he and Netsuite has not done. We will check. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say quantity,
Mm-hmm.
and I will go to the text form. Okay. So this particular like it is coming from my CSV
Right.
and this is of the Netsuite.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now I have to map the quantity. So quantity is in my item. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So vendor bill items will open that.
Mm-hmm.
Now select the quantity. Same way in the item I have text for.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We will verify the other things also, like items is equal to items. Okay. Now, we have taken the internal ID in two of the places. Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So, where we have taken the internal ID, we will go to this particular uh, pencil or pen type.
Mm-hmm.
Click here. We will select choose reference type. Okay. Reference type means on which basis we want to match next field. So,
Okay.
either names, either internal ID.
Oh, okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Uh, so I selected the internal ID in vendor.
Mm-hmm.
Then in item, I will select the internal ID as well. Yeah. Mm. Now we'll go there. We will go to the next. Okay. So date format is not correct.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Mm. Okay. So
So do you have to then redo all over again? Go back to the CSV or you can fix it here?
uh, okay. as of now, we are not doing much data. Okay.
Mhm.
So I will fix it directly here. Let's say I have to take a single
Okay.
date. Okay.
Yeah.
Then we'll set date as default date here.
Oh, okay.
Okay. But if you have the different dates here, then you
hmm
go back to the main page, correct your
Yeah, correct the file, right? Okay.
file and import again.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, now next, so we can give some import name. Okay. So in future, we can
hmm
use this particular import again, and we don't have to do this field mapping again. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's say revenue. So if we want to give import name, we'll do save and run,
hmm
and
Yeah.
we will check the status also.
hmm
Refresh. Hmm. So it is not uploaded. We'll
hmm
go to the error. Okay, we will have to check what's the error. Okay. So
Okay.
under the CSV import, we can check the error.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Valid subsidiary reference. Yeah.
For entity 923. Mhm. Okay, got it.
Sorry, you have to put all the subsidiaries. Yeah.
No, no, no. Okay, let's say a vendor has multiple subsidiaries.
hmm
So if we have the subsidiary also, then it will be a good. So we'll add a subsidiary here,
hmm
and we'll correct my date also.
Okay.
Right, something like that. Let's run there. So we'll upload again. Setup. import export. This time I'm
Mm-hmm.
going to save CSV import because
Okay.
we have already saved that.
Yeah.
So we'll open this, select, that's, so we'll correct detail as mm, uh, subsidiary. Okay, that's why it threw the error. Okay, you can
Mhm.
see subsidiary is automatically taking parent company.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's why it given the error. So we will select
Okay.
the. I think we can leave the subsidiary. Okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
uh, I will delete and then we will go without subsidiary. Okay, so it's
Okay.
something like that. Let's say you taken some column in the CSV.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not mandatory that you have to uh, map it as well. Okay, you can go without mapping also.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. You
Okay,
can delete it.
no, no, but okay, not delete. Basically, yeah, you cannot map here. But let's say
Mm.
something, some fields are mandatory in the Netsuite, then you have to take the mandatory field as well.
Oh,
Either,
okay. Yeah.
either you enter a default value,
Mm-hmm.
or you do a take, or you take like column, make a column in your CSV column. But
Okay.
you have to take the mandatory field as well.
Okay. Yeah.
Next, again, save and run.
Mm-hmm.
So, import job status. Again, error.
Where are you
Let
seeing the error?
Here's another CSV import. It is showing a 0 of 1 record imported successfully.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay.
So it means that there is an error.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. Oh, again, we missed the currency.
Invalid currency.
Yeah. Hmm.
So that means we have to add the currency in this?
Yeah, or either we can take the default.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So setup, import export, save CSV import. Hmm. Okay.
US dollar.
We have to take the current number. Okay. I think we can do this next. So if there is no change in our import, okay,
Mm-hmm.
so save and refresh. So it is processing. Now it will do. Okay, because it is taking
Oh,
some time in processing.
yeah.
Earlier it gives like a couple of seconds to throw error.
Okay. Okay.
Mm. So now you can see one of one record imported successfully.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So we will check the imported transaction, but before That
Mm-hmm.
once you start uploading and like playing with the large amount of data,
Yeah.
so there will be errors. So it's important to understand the what is error saying. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So as you can see, okay, uh, when I let me open my error file as well. So my first error file given that invalid subsidiary reference key for entity 923. So it means
Yeah.
that entity like my vendor.
Mm.
So the subsidiary for this particular vendor, the subsidiary is incorrect. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Invalid.
So yeah. So we have seen that in the field mapping, the subsidiary was given as parent company, but it was
Yeah.
the BK Canada.
Right.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. And same like in the second error file, we get the currency reference error.
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now, but these are like very simple errors. Sometimes you will get some complicated errors. So basically, like understand on which type of mm, like error you are getting. Okay. Also, Netsuite is now like it is case sensitive.
Oh, okay. I see. Okay.
Okay. Let's see. Uh, I prepare a department.
Mm-hmm.
My department name is admin. Okay. I created Netsuite like in complete uppercase. Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
But in my CSV, I'm taking like that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
In my CSV, I'm taking like that admin. So
Oh, I see.
it
Mm-hmm.
will not able to map.
Also, it's case sensitive. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Mm. Yeah.
Also, but it will not throw a error that this is a case sensitive. It will throw some random error.
Oh, so you need to know what
Yeah.
is
So basically, like I know, see, like 1 month ago, I faced such a problem, and
Mhm,
it
mhm.
took me like 1 day to realize that this is the problem, complete 1 day.
Oh, yeah. Hmm.
After doing around 40 sample testing, uploading again with different type of,
Yeah. Yeah.
uh, but yeah. So every time Netsuite shows some different error. Sometimes it is text calculation error, sometimes it's different error.
Mm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So basically, Netsuite is not itself is determining what the issue is. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that's why we recommend wherever the drop down values are, okay, take the internal ID in the drop down
Hmm.
values. Okay.
So take internal ID in the drop-down values.
So because see, if there is any other field like a free form text or so there
Mhm.
in free form text means that you are entering something fresh, okay, new.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
but is a drop down value, then you are sourcing from somewhere in the system, sourcing somewhere all the master created already. There is a already master created in the next suite, and
Hmm.
you are sourcing from that. Okay,
Yeah.
that's why there is a drop down value.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
so it's better to instead of uh, going with the naming reference, go with the internal ID reference.
Internal ID. Hmm.
Now transaction which we have uploaded. This this is our transaction.
Hmm.
So we are getting everything, currency, approved, both the items,
Yes.
quantity rate.
What did you add for the item in the CSV?
I add the internal ID.
Oh, you added the internal items.
Yeah,
Mhm.
item.
Yeah, item was internal item. Okay.
Yeah, I take the internal ID.
Yeah.
So any questions in this CSV import?
Um, no. So what happens in a brand new NetSuite account? Um, do people usually perform CSV imports
Where?
for new, let's say if you're given a brand new NetSuite account with a
Yes.
client,
Yes.
people usually import chart of accounts, etc., using.
Yes. We import. From chart
Mhm.
of account to all the masters like vendors, customer, employees.
Mm.
So
Everything is
we,
imported.
yes, okay. So basically, since uh, like the implementation partners uh, have that the template with them, standard template. Okay, like
Okay.
for this particular session, we have created like I added some field on Excel, but we
Yeah.
usually have all the templates with us. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
uh, like let's say if I have to give some, mm, I have to ask for the vendor master from the customer or for the employee master from the customer. So I
Yeah.
will give an employee template or a vendor template. But is the uh, all the fields okay? Like that template might have 60, 70 fields, which you can
Yes.
see in this particular page.
Mm-hmm.
And under all this tab,
Yeah.
financial, all these fields, whether
Mm.
they required it or not. Okay,
Right. Right.
right. So what we give them a template and uh, normally mm, like from US customer you can expect that they will give 70%, 80% of the correct data. They,
Mm-hmm.
but in
Mm-hmm.
India, like uh, they have like so much confusions in
Yeah. 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 Okay.
okay. So we have to do validation on ourselves also.
On your side also.
We have to do the validate. So we have to validate the data.
Oh, okay. I
Okay.
see. Mm.
So I also, in my view, instead of giving them the complete template, okay,
Mm.
ask them what they require in a particular vendor form, okay,
Right. Mm-hmm.
and give them only those fields. So they can
Mm.
create the better like data for migration.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So everything we have to create
Mm.
through CSV only, item, chart of account, and like
Customers.
yeah, customers, vendor, employees, even
Yes.
the
Everything needs to.
yes, everything. Departments also, department locations. If there are so much department,
Right. Right. Right.
right.
Right.
Uh, Also, the chart of account uh, is like little bit tricky. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If I go to the chart of account, for example, you can see this tables. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And under this table, it is coming as AP trade, AP. Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, table is a group,
Right. Right.
right?
Yes.
Okay. If I open this GL, I open this GL also. No, no, wait. view. Okay, so payables, under payables, payable is like not coming in any account. Okay,
Right.
but if I go to this, so my AP trade is sub account of payables.
Is belonging to payables, yes.
Yes, okay. So let's say I take a single CSV uploader. I'm
Mm-hmm.
uploading a new uploader where I'm taking the payables also and under all this also. Okay.
Okay.
But
Yeah.
but system will fail that. System will fail in all these AP trade, AP exclude accounts payable, current maturities of long-term debit, bank notes payable, transaction
Mm-hmm.
loss payable because
Yeah.
system because it is created in live, okay, but it is not earlier there. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
basically first we have to upload the group accounts.
Okay.
Okay, once the group accounts are uploaded, then we can upload the subgroups.
Mm-hmm. Right,
Let's say,
right.
and for example, under the AP trade, I have another GL. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
then I have to do the activity like uh, again third time. So,
Yeah, yeah.
so basically, we have to do the summary accounts also. One thing is not there, as you can see, summary button. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So basically, the group which we take, okay, like the GL group we make, we usually don't post in the group.
Okay, okay.
Okay, group
Mm-hmm.
is only for the consolidation. Like I created a group accounts payable, and I want to see okay under accounts payable how much different GLs are coming and what's their consolidation as a group. Okay,
Right.
but
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to directly post in the group GL.
Yeah, yeah.
So if I don't want to post on the group GL, I will add it and click on this summary.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
So,
and if I refresh this chart of account,
mm-hmm.
you can see summary is now coming as yes.
Mm-hmm. Tables, yes, yeah.
Yeah. So now if uh, if I go to my let's say new action bill,
Mm-hmm.
mm, so I want to view the let me select the vendor.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, you will have the expense only here. So let's check. So as you can see, this summary account accrued payroll is no. Okay, I
Yeah.
can see, I can see this 2200 here. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Now if I made that as yes,
Summary account.
yes, uh, and refresh my page.
Mm-hmm.
So well, not able to see 2200. Okay.
Yeah.
So so I'm not getting that now approved table. Okay.
Mm. Right,
So
right.
it is coming from 2210.
Mm.
That is not showing there.
Okay.
Yeah.